This is an English conversation at a hotel between a receptionist named Jade Monroe and a customer named Miguel. Let's dive into it. Please enjoy your learning.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. Can I have my key, please?
What's your room number?
My room is 210.
Here you are, sir.
Thanks. Oh, excuse me. Is there a good restaurant nearby?
There's a restaurant in the hotel.
Really? Well,
Over there, the tired door on the left.
is it good?
It's very good, but it closes at 10:30.
It's 10:15 now. It is too late.
That's right, but there's also a good Italian restaurant on Washington Street. It's very cozy.
Where's Washington Street? Is it far?
Everybody knows Washington Street. Turn right outside the hotel, go straight and then take the second road on the right. It's not far.
Thank you for everything. You are very kind.